Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making sausage and potato skillet. Alright, I'm starting out here in a saucepan. I have 3 large red skin potatoes I diced into chunks about that big. And they were nice sized potatoes, guys. They were about the size of a large softball. I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of salt. And I'm going to boil these just till they start to get tender. We don't want them real soft because we're going to fry them then, and we don't want them to fall apart. Alright, while my potatoes are heating up over here, getting ready to boil, I have a ring of kielbasa sausage. This is Hillshire Farms. I got it at Walmart. But you can buy this just about anywhere. It's a national brand. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut this into pieces about like this. And this is already pre-cooked. It's fairly inexpensive and it's a great sausage addition to your sausage dish. Alright, now in a large skillet I have preheated. I'm going to take a half a stick of margarine. And I've recently switched over to margarine for 2 reasons. It's a little healthier for you and it's a lot cheaper than butter. A lot of people knock margarine, but I grew up on it. I'm going to melt this in here in the skillet. And I turn my heat down a little bit because this is a cast iron skillet and it's screaming hot. And I'm going to take that sausage I sliced up and we're going to get it in there and we're going to start to brown that over medium to medium-low heat. Alright, my sausage is about halfway fried, and my potatoes are boiled just to where they're starting to soften up. They still have a little bit of bite, and we're going to get them in there and fry them with the sausage to start to soften them up and get those flavors blended in there. Alright, now that I allowed my potatoes to fry with the sausage a little bit, they're starting to get a nice golden brown color. I have some broccoli and a zucchini medley here. This is a 12-ounce bag of frozen broccoli and a 10-ounce bag of frozen zucchini medley. I microwaved for a few minutes to thaw it out and soften it up. Then I drained it well to get all the liquid, or most liquid I could out of it. I'm going to add this in. And I'm just going to stir that around to incorporate the vegetables in. And if you don't like broccoli or you don't like zucchini, you can substitute just about any vegetable you like in this. You don't have to stick to these 2 vegetables. Now I'm going to season this with some black pepper. And some garlic salt. Now you want to be careful with your garlic salt because there is salt in there and you don't want it to get too salty. So I'm going to go for probably about a half a teaspoon of garlic salt. I'm going to stir this around and get them seasonings, spices blended in there. And I just lost the potato on the floor. Not to worry, that'll be going in the trash. And I'm going to put a little more seasoning on this, but not a whole lot because we don't want it over salty. A little bit of garlic salt. And if you're on a sodium restricted diet, you could use garlic powder or granulated garlic in place of that garlic salt. Now I'm going to allow this to fry for a few minutes to warm that broccoli and zucchini through. We don't want to get it to where it turns to mush. And I'll stir it every now and then. Alright, I allowed this to fry just for a few minutes. I stirred it around. I'm going to finish it up by covering it with some shredded Parmesan cheese. And once again, you can use any kind of cheese you like on this if you don't like Parmesan, but Parmesan is really delicious. And I'm going to allow this to cook on low heat just for a minute to help melt that cheese down in there. Alright, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Let me get in here and give this a try. I'll start with a piece of this sausage. Delicious. Kielbasa always was delicious, but when you fry it, it brings up to a next level. Let me try some vegetables here. Try a piece of potato, some broccoli. Well seasoned, cheesy, I was going to say chili, cheesy. Broccoli has a little bit of crisp on it, but it's not hard at all. Potatoes are tender. Try some of this zucchini. Gives it a good fresh flavor. Guys, that's really easy, really delicious. You've seen it all come together in no time. Alright, there you have it, sausage and potato skillet. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.